Dude, you know what? This might be the bird sanctuary I've been thinking of.
That's what I'm talking about. The one over in the other one's just like a park with like a nothing bridge.
Alright.
A bridge to nowhere. All your bears just sitting around not doing a nothing.
You win this time, Gravity. Oh yeah, no, this is it.
Just right on down there.
They just printed out of Google Maps.
Yo, this is where the coyotes would be, man. You're laughing, but coyotes, dude. Yeah, man, I've never been in here.
I have also never been in this bird sanctuary.
How long we lived, like, right here?
Real long.
Dude, I'm walking this way a little bit.
Okay.
That's a fat shot. I know a fat shot when I see it. And this is a fat shot. Coyote!
It was like from 111 to 117.
111 to 100. Oh, yeah. That took a lot of blocks. At least 4.
These trees are pretty sweet.
Yeah, I'm gonna stand in the middle of those trees.
I recommend that you do stand in the middle of those trees.
Cool. Yeah, I gotta go to bed early tonight. I gotta study for the JEPR.
Yeah, whatever.
No, really, dude, it's a really important test. It's like 3/4 of your grade. Pretty much the JEPR. The JEPR is a test that you have to take in New Jersey when you're in 8th grade. And it pretty much just determines the future of your life. I hear coyotes. Crikey. I'm hearing coyotes. Where the fuck is he? And then, I think they call this a lookout point. Nobody's ever called that.
I was gonna say, who are you talking to?
Look,
That tree is cool too.
That's why I'm there. That's a
I
cool
want to
tree.
go to there. Is it accessible?
No.
Like I know I can't cross this.
Yeah.
We go around.
Well, beat you. Oh shit. We're at the Bird Sanctuary in Stone Harbor, New Jersey. Man, got a wicked case of the sniffles. Like snuffleupagus.
I do want to find
Wait, is that more that we haven't done?
this twisted up ass tree.
I think they can see that.
Huh?
Said I think they can see the tree. They should be able to. Oh, that's pretty cool though. Over that way. If you guys look over that way. Over that way. It's like a fallen tree. With the bird sanctuary in Stone Harbor, New Jersey. I believe it goes from 111th Street to 117th Street. That's what I've been told at least. And we're filming in 360 today. I think we're coming up on the end of the trail. It's been a pretty cool trail so far. You guys gotta look straight up right now. Look up at that tree.
Fences are confusing to me because we came here, we didn't cross any fence to get here, but there's a fence here, and past it there's benches.
Oh yeah, but that's...
So So why is this fence here if we're allowed to be on this side and allowed to be on that side?
Oh yeah, well, they wouldn't have benches if they didn't want you.
Is there an alternate route?
Maybe it used to be a place, but then they decided they don't too many coyotes or something. I don't know. But we are going to find coyotes. I know they're around here. I've heard tales told of coyotes that live in these woods. Yeah, I do see a car. I see a car going. But it doesn't mean the coyotes can't also be around. Matt, you hear it's supposed to snow tomorrow? Or, yeah, tomorrow?
Again?
Yeah, like a decent amount. Like you know how this was like a bullshit amount? Yeah, well, tomorrow is going to be a different story, man. They say it's going to snow from like 6 a.m. tomorrow morning all the way to like 6 p.m. So
Wow.
yeah, like it's a good 6 inches or something.
Stock up on whatever you gotta stock up on.
Stock up on water, stock up on electricity, make sure you have enough flashlights and batteries.
Weather alert!
I love that dude. I believe he's out of Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia. And also the Trailer Park Boys are, and I don't think that's a coincidence.
I really think that it is.
No, it's not. It's not a coincidence. That's what they say.
Let's leave this place. Are you done with this place?
Yeah.
I am.
So done with this place.
I'm glad we came though.
Yeah, me too. Send the salami to your boy in the army. That's what they used to say. They said it.
No.
That's what they would say. They'd say, send the salami to your boy in the army.
Who would say that?
You know. I want to buy sausages and bolognas and I want to send them. You guys got Fowler sodas over there?
Watch my car have 3 tickets and a boot.
Oh, dude, birds at the bird sanctuary. Who would have thought?
Finally. They're just chilling on the power lines,
Because they know.
like how all the performers at the Boneyard would be out front.
Yeah, so where else could we go? Just like, you know,
Graveyards.
for things like this in the future?
Graveyards.
Graveyards.
The one
That is scandalous.
just 'cause somebody might like to watch it.